Is your jawline slowly disappearing into your neck? Don't panic. I have got you. These simple massage tricks can lift those jowls and tighten those cheeks, all from the comfort of your couch. So let's get started. Apply some oil to your face for a smooth and effective massage. Let's begin by warming up the skin and underlying muscles. Use the backs of both hands alternatively to massage under the jawline. The motion I am using is continuous. Faster movements help to generate heat and enhance blood flow more effectively. This helps stimulate lymphatic drainage, reduce tension in the jaw area and contour the lower face. Now on the other side. Next, using both hands in a cross motion, place one hand at the corner of the face and gently push towards the middle, while simultaneously using the other hand to push upwards from the chin towards the temple. This technique can help lift and sculpt the facial contours, targeting the lower face and mid-face area and potentially improving the appearance of sagging and heaviness. Do the same on the other side. Now, place your thumb under the jawbone. Then gently massage upwards, lifting the muscle tissue. Focus on raising the platisma muscle and surrounding tissue without pulling down. On the other side now. Next, create a large skin fold from the lower jaw and gently lift it upwards, gradually moving towards the ears with continuous upward motion. This technique can help lift and sculpt the facial contours. Do the same on the other side. Next, gently lift the muscles tissues up towards the cheekbone, starting from the chin using your knuckles. Then rest against the zygomatic bone and then move up to the temple with vibration. This vibration gives a lymphatic drainage effect and strengthens the cheeks. Next, using your knuckles, gently massage along the jawline, tracing to bone's edge to reduce tension and improve definition. Next, rise up to the cheek area and massage with knuckles. And finally, tone our cheeks. You can do these massage techniques 3 to 4 times a week for the best results. Consistency is key. Most people start noticing a visible lift and more toned cheeks within 2 to 4 weeks. Stick with it and your face will thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such contents. And thanks for watching.